Kitty, watch,
Yeah.
watch.
Back in the water.
Is this sucker good?
Hello. Getting groceries put away. What you doing? Yeah, she's here. She doesn't know. She's trying to find out
Come check on me.
who was in that accident.
Dad went up to find out.
Yeah, when I couldn't find out. She said,
I bet that sucker's easy to eat because it's soggy.
yeah, let us know.
I think it was Dave.
I know, yeah.
Josh is in the
It
van,
is.
so it couldn't have been him.
I don't
Well, my mom said it was down Poplar Fork.
Oh, it was down
Yeah.
Baltimore?
But who knows?
Okay,
Hey, Garrett.
I don't know yet.
Is it sucker good?
Let us know if you find out something.
Is it sucker good?
And we'll do the same. Bye.
Boy, you can tell everybody watches WSAZ.
She said to let